Hey everyone, I'm Selena. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm diving into the Ninja Blender Kitchen System, a powerhouse that's perfect for smoothies, soups, and so much more. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen tool, stick around. This one's a game changer. Let's get blending. First, let's break down what makes this Ninja Kitchen System, model BR601AMZ, so special. It's a 1200-watt beast with a 72-ounce pitcher for big batches, great for families or meal prep. You also get an 8-cup food processor bowl for chopping, pureeing, or even making dough. Plus, there's an 18-ounce single-serve cup for smoothies on the go. It comes with 5 preset programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, chopping, dough, and nutrient extraction, so you don't have to guess the settings. The total crushing blades turn ice into snow in seconds, and everything's BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Now let's talk pros. This thing is powerful. 1200 watts means it crushes ice, blends frozen fruit, and handles tough veggies like kale with ease. The versatility is a huge win. You're getting a blender, food processor, and personal smoothie maker in one. The preset programs are super convenient, especially if you're busy and just want to press a button and go. Customers on Amazon rave about the creamy smoothies and how it simplifies meal prep, with many saying it's a great value for the price. Cleanup is a breeze since most parts are dishwasher safe, but no product's perfect. The main pitcher struggles with fibrous ingredients like leafy greens, leaving some bits behind unless you blend longer. It's also not great for hot blending, so you'll need to cool soups before blending. Some users mention it's loud, but honestly, most powerful blenders are. And a few reviews noted the blades are super sharp, so handle with care to avoid nicks. So, who's this for? If you love making smoothies, salsas, or dough and want one machine to do it all, this Ninja is a fantastic pick. It's ideal for families or anyone who wants to save counter space without sacrificing power. While it's not perfect for hot soups or super quiet kitchens, the pros outweigh the cons for most home cooks. At this price point, it's a solid investment compared to pricier brands like Vitamix. Ready to level up your kitchen game? Check out the Ninja Kitchen System using the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions from Rick's Review Hub. Your support through that link helps keep these reviews coming, so thank you! If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, or hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.